Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the Alienware 17 for cleaning and then how to further completely disassemble it. So for cleaning we just want to take off these two screws in the back and then we're going to slide this forward. Now we can clean the fans and the vents and everything. So that's all you got to do for cleaning, is just take those two screws out. Now to take it apart all the way and get the keyboard off, we're going to have to take out each of these things: the battery, the two hard drives, and the optical drive. So the battery, we need to take these two screws out. Now you've got your battery removed. Alright, now the hard drives need to come out as well. Each of them are held in by 4 screws. When you're removing the optical drive, you got to remember to unplug this and get this wire out of here. If you leave that plugged in, you might break the cord. Okay, now you are ready to take the keyboard off. There are about 20 screws, I believe, that need to be removed in order to get the keyboard out. Alright, and then once you have removed all of those, you can open it up and then peel the keyboard off right here, and it'll come all the way off. And then over here there are 2 circuits that you need to unplug. One goes to the keyboard and one goes to the micro SD card reader. And once you have unplugged those, you can take the keyboard all the way off.